In this video, we will show you how to stop spam calls on Android. Maybe there is a number that annoying you and every day calling you. You can block the number and also activate your spam protection on your Android devices. How to do that? First, in here, you need to find your phone icon or phone settings. You can see usually these apps is we have used to call someone or type the number. In here, you can just click this icon and to go to the settings and choose settings. Okay, you can see in here there is two options, caller ID and spam protection. You can click this and you can turn on. Okay, after you turn on, just click agree, and you can also activate block spam and scam calls. Just activate this. Okay, you can see you can have the option block all spam and scam calls or only block high risk scam calls. Okay, just select this if you want the higher protection and select this if you want to the lower protection. And after you activate this, you can also block the number if you want. If you already have the spam caller, you can add the number here. Okay, blocks call from unknown number. You can also activate this. Okay, and also you can add the contact on your device or add the phone number here. Just type phone number, for example, and you can add this contact into block listed here. Okay, and that's all how you can stop the spam calls on Android devices. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.